This is the Liverpool side. Looking at the lineup, he's got all the components in place, hasn't he, the manager, for the pressing style of play that's been a feature of his team.
Yep, and many an opponent has found it difficult to cope with. If your touch isn't spot on against this aggressive type of closing down, you're going to lose it in dangerous areas.
Barcelona's lineup here. Well, the opponents to this team, they know what to expect, but stopping them, Alan, that's a different matter altogether.
Yes, quite, and any opposition manager would have spoken long
Chance
and
to get
hard
the
about
ball in the box. Luis Suarez. He wants to pull it back here. There it is, first goal of the game, and coming this early, the promise of more to come. He's tucked it away, well out of the goalkeeper's reach.
I love to see that. Don't have to whack it from that kind of position. Just side-footed home.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it?
Nothing the manager can do at the moment. His team have lost momentum and they're also losing this match.
It's Sadio Mane. Keita! And the referee looks to his assistant, who's got the flag up. It's offside. Well, this must have been very tight indeed, but we get the advantage of another look that the officials, of course, don't.
No,
Robertson.
It was...
There's a target at the front post. And he bangs it away. Suarez. Opening them up with a through pass. What an important goal this may well be. They're 2 ahead now, building a platform for victory. Dangled the ball in with that touch. Knew exactly where the goal was, where the ball was.
All about timing. It was so clean, that contact.
Well, here's the goal again. Set up to play on the break now. We could get a cross in here. Firmino! Now the keeper's done well to keep that one out. Mane! Super goalkeeping. Mohamed Salah. With his skill, here's a chance to have a run at goal and take the opposition on. Oh, he's been called offside here. It's a booking for the Barcelona player.
He jumped in a little too quickly.
He took a chance there, really, and I don't think it paid off.
He's caught the man and
That
knocked
wide
the ball,
for Barcelona.
no doubt.
Chance to cross it. It's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. And there's the cutback. Well, that should be the game. We could call it another insurance goal. Surely they can't throw it away here. Well, with that goal, Alan, it should wrap it up for Barcelona.
Well, I would have thought so. Surely no way back now.
Well, let's take another look at the goal.
Oh, he's loving it, the manager. He's seeing his team playing really well, just what he was asking for.
Jorginho Wijnaldum. By Messi. He's given offside. And here's the shot. Top performance from a top team, and they've emphasised their superiority with the number of goals that they've scored.
Well, this is X-rated stuff for these defenders to have to watch, but I'm sure they will. In the next few days, the manager will be wanting to know what on earth they're playing at.
You can see it in the faces of the players, and you can hear it in the lack of noise, if you like, from the supporters.
Well, those fans can't even be bothered to give their players any stick at the moment. They're just...
Corner played in. It's under-hit the corner, and the man at the front post gets it away. Here's Andrew Roberts. He's got good support in the middle if he gets his cross in. A little too eager to get in behind the opposition, caught offside.
Yeah, just a bit over-eager there. He's got to hold his run a little bit longer.
this is the way they will start the game today. Wojciech Szczesny starts in goal. Giorgio Chiellini plays with Matthijs de Ligt in defence. Miralem Pjanic starts with Blaise Matuidi in the centre of the park. Cristiano Ronaldo plays up top with Gonzalo Higuain. This is Inter's lineup. Samir Handanovic starts in goal. Stefan de Vrij plays alongside Milan Skriniar in defence. Marcelo Brozovic plays with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. Matuidi. Cross towards Dybala. And he's opened the scoring with a fine finish here early on. Sensational strike there for the goal.
I think he's picked him out from that left-hand side. Wonderful delivery.
Really accurate cross. Well, here's the goal again. Mercado. Chance to put it in the box from here. Danger was looming large. Khedira got... Ronaldo, excellent vision. Fearing the equaliser at one end, they've gone and scored at the other end to put themselves two ahead and strengthen their possession. Dangled the ball in with that touch. Knew exactly where the goal was, where the ball was.
All about timing. It was so clean, that contact.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? Inez. It's good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? It's offside. It's Young with the ball. Ashley Young crossing. Well, crossing is a skill, and Young, that's not a very good example. Young taking on the defenders. Eriksen! The safe hands from the goalkeeper there. Super block. Excellent interception. Cristiano Ronaldo! Comfortable work, really. Bit of a stretch for the goalkeeper, but never looked as though he's going to be beaten.
No, bread and butter really for this lad with his talent.
Pjanic with the corner. Punched away by the keeper. Break quickly when they get possession. Cuadrado! Wonderful save. Sandro. Ronaldo's gone near post, they're trying to find him. It's not a cross that's caused the defence any problems, and certainly not the goalkeeper. Brozovic. On to Christian Eriksen. Lukaku! And it's Inter who scored. Well, they can't wait to get the ball back out of the net and get the game going again, because they're closing in.
Well, much different atmosphere in this stadium now, and it's difficult to call.
Bit of keep ball going on here. Ronaldo! Goalkeeper comes up, trumps again. Samir Handanovic.
I thought he was wrong-footed, but no, he adjusts brilliantly.
Milan's lineup looks like this. The goalkeeper is the precocious Gianluigi Donnarumma. Alessio Romagnoli plays alongside Simon Kjær in central defence. Lucas Biglia plays with Franck Yannick Kessié in the centre of midfield. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage. Introducing the Paris Saint-Germain starters. And they are a team, Lee, known for their aggressive high pressing.
Well, absolutely. That takes a lot of hard work, a lot of organisation, force the opposition to make early passes. The weakness of it, if you beat the high press, you can get exposed at the back.
He's in control of the situation. Cross fired over. Denied by the bar. Back in play here. There it is, and just the ideal start.
Well, as the ball comes to him, he's not got an awful lot of time or space, but he gets the power from somewhere, and it's a brilliant finish.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. Cavani, playing with purpose and control. An example of a goalkeeper on top of his game, Lee.
Well, that is genius, absolutely genius.
They've decided to take the corner short. And the keeper acquitted himself well.
Yeah, it was a good ball in, wasn't it?
Corner kick played over. Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps. Ibrahimovic. It's got to be. Keeper did his job to begin with. Icardi. And Neymar. Neymar! It's gone in. A goal for PSG beyond the goalkeeper to square things up.
Well, the keeper will be frustrated. He thought he'd saved it. He's so unlucky there. It's a good angle from him as well, but it's in the back of the net.
A chance to revisit the goal. Castillejo, and teammates to play it to. Castillejo, Kessié, Bonaventura! The offside flag had to go up, and it did.
Yeah, look along the line, look along the line.
Herrera, this is Neymar. Oh, a perfectly timed pass, and this time it's in.
Well, they say there's no better time to score just before half-time. The team talk of both sides are going to be changing now. It's a good finish, Derek, and they deserve the lead.
Here's Icardi, Mbappe, and moving the ball nicely. And the decision is one of offside here. Castillejo, Ibrahimovic, Navas, outrageous save. On the counter-attack. Do they have the guile to up? Surely the equaliser. Simple save for the
Surely
keeper.
they'll get one more chance before the final whistle.
And options in the centre. It has to be. And the goalkeeper, as you would expect, once again doing his job.
Yeah.
A bit of running room now on the wing. Çalhanoğlu pulls it back. Late drama here. Level once more. Incredible scenes.
here's the replay. What a time to score, Derek. Kept his cool so late in the game. Easy to snatch at that one. Is there time for a winner?
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored.
Magic Compilation. Mr. Mister, German Jackson, Pat Benatar, Go West, Ice House, Device. Magic Compilation. Tutta la magia della musica in un solo disco. Magic Compilation. Su dischi e cassette Globo Records.
Estàs bé?
Molt bé.
Et van bé?
Molt bé.
Et sents bé?
Molt bé.
Els homes porten abanderado perquè les senyores compren abanderado.
Molt bé.
Del ex giocatore juventino Zidane, con Courtois, Marcelo, Varane, Ramos, Carvajal, Kroos, Modric e Casemiro, centrocampo con in attacco Hazard, Benzema e Bale. Per il Manchester United di Solskjaer, formazione tipica di 4-2-3-1 con De Gea, Bisacca, Lindelof, Maguire, Shaw, McTominay, Pogba e Bruno Fernandes, con in attacco James, Martial, trova Benzema, Benzema, Casemiro, ora Bale, cross, il tiro deviato di Modric, calcio d'angolo, occasionissima del Real Madrid. Che azione! L'ultimo tiro di Gareth Bale finisce fuori. De Gea rimprovera i suoi, calcio d'angolo lo tira Bale, cross in mezzo, palla toccata da De Gea, ancora Bale, dal pallone a Modric, serie di finte, Modric ancora lui in aria, il tiro di Benzema deviato da Maguire. Il cross di James non trova Rashford, ancora palla toccata da Bisacca, centro Ramos, rinvio ma c'è segnalazione di fuorigioco di Bruno Fernandes che era netto. Azione sviluppata dal Manchester, ancora lui si incarica di tutto, ora Bisacca, trova James, Spiraglio, il cross! Che giocata del United! Benzema ancora Carvajal, serie di finte su Shaw, il cross, il tiro, c'è Hazard, gol del Real Madrid, azione grandiosa fra Bale e Modric, incredibile gol di Hazard. Un'ottima partita finora, lo United aveva qualche occasione ma la classe del Real Madrid con Hazard, Gareth Bale e anche Modric hanno segnato la prima rete. Ancora Hazard a Marcelo, Hazard ma all'indietro Marcelo, serie di passaggi fra i due, cross ora, prova il tiro, parata di De Gea. Che parata di De Gea, azione brillante, il tiro potente, violente di cross all'incrocio dei pali, una parata strepitosa di De Gea, calcio d'angolo, lo batte Gareth Bale, il gallese trova Benzema tira! Modric, ancora lui, Bale trova Carvajal in aria, cross, ma c'è De Gea. Perde palla, ancora Hazard il cross! Lo tocca De Gea! Benzema, ma ferma tutto l'arbitro. Cartellino giallo per Daniel James sul fallo, scivolata netta su Martial. Tiene il pallone Modric, serie di finte su Bisacca, il cross, ma c'è De Gea.
Informazzjonijiet għal Bayern Munich, Neuer bejn il-lasti, Pavard, Boateng, Alaba u Davis fuq wara, 3 midfielders, Kimmich, Thiago u Tolisso, u fuq quddiem Filip Coutinho, Robert Lewandowski u Thomas Müller. Il-bank ta' sostituti qegħdin naraw jinkludi players bħal l-ex player ta' Inter Van Persic u Leon Goretzka, in-nazzjonal Ġermaniż. Minnaħa l-oħra nistennew biex naraw ukoll il-formazzjoni ta' Borussia Dortmund li hija kif ġej. Burki bejn il-lasti, Piszczek, Hummels u Zagadou id-difensuri, l-erba ta' nofs il-ground, Hakimi, Brandt, Witsel u Guerreiro, Jadon Sancho u Marco Reus u bil-attakkan żagħżugħ tagħhom Erling Haaland. U l-bank ta' sostituti insibu players tal-kalibru ta' Torgan Hazard u Mario Götze. Brandt u fittex il-cross minn barra l-kaxxa, Brandt u jilqa' Manuel Neuer. L-ewwel Kimmich, Thiago, Lewandowski, Thiago. Jaqasta minn Lewandowski xottu jilqa' hemmhekk Roman Burki. U Kimmich jilqa' Burki. Thiago ballun li jmur barra biftit. Haaland. Il-cross. Reus. U Neuer jilqa'. Wara kwarta l diġà kellna 3 azzjonijiet u sissa nistgħu ngħidlu kull ma jonqos huwa il-gowl biex ikollna partita iżjed interessanti milli Borussia Dortmund bil-corner. Sancho jersaq lejn in-nofs, Sancho jipprova u għal darb'oħra l-ballun jilqgħu Neuer. Corner ieħor għal Borussia, goal kick għal Bayern, kif il-ballun ta' Sancho imur ftit barra. Lewandowski, Tolisso, Kimmich ix-xott u l-ballun imur barra. 26 minuta lob, Bayern Munich xejn, Borussia Dortmund xejn. Għadda tistennew ukoll l-ewwel gowl. Pavard, Kimmich, jixxottja, Burki għal darb'oħra jgħid le. Salvataġġ ieħor mirakolus tal-gowler ta' Borussia Dortmund Roman Burki li f'dan it-turnament rejnuh ukoll jagħmel diversi saves. Alaba, Lewandowski iżda kienu tajb imma players ta' Borussia Dortmund. Haaland. Ballun mitluf. Imur għand il-players ta' Bayern għal darb'oħra. Tolisso. Kimmich ix-xott! Joshua! Kimmich! Bayern Munich fil-vantaġġ. Jiskurja bin-numru 32 il-midfielder Ġermaniż Joshua Kimmich wara 41 minuta logħb. Fil-fema tiegħi naħseb li kien gowl meritat, sfortunat kien Erling Haaland illi tilef il-ballun biex minn dik l-iżbal appuntu Bayern Munich marru fil-vantaġġ permezz ta' Joshua Kimmich. L-ewwel gowl tiegħu f'dan il-turnament wara 4 lobiet. Reus, Brandt. Ballun twil iżda ir-referee saffar offside lil Jadon Sancho. U offside li ma kienx 4-3 għat-tim ta' Bayern Munich. Hakimi, Piszczek. Offside ieħor ta' Sancho. U din id-darba l-offside ikun verament wieħed marġinali. Tolisso. Goretzka. L-ispazju Goretzka xut! Leon! Goretzka! Bayern Munich jiskurjaw it-tieni gol tal-partita. Wara sija lob. Goretzka illi jagħmel effett immedjat fil-partita u kawża wkoll ta' triq li spjanawlu d-difensuri ta' Bayern Munich irnexxielu jitfa' ġewwa wara biss 5 minuti li daħal. Il-plejer bin-numru 18, Leon Goretzka jagħmel l-iskor Bayern Munich 2, Borussia Dortmund xejn. Haaland anke Hazard. Haaland attenzjoni. Haaland jipprova jsib l-ispazju għax-xogħol iżda jingħalaq tajjeb mid-difensuri ta' Bayern Munich. Rice u Neuer jilqa'.